Aloha and welcome, video viewers. I'm Panther, and this is Space Siege. Our particular job right now is going and hunting down a neural processor. Should be easy enough. Just like everything on this game. It's just a point and click away. No. Okay. This is gonna be like...
Sergeant Walker, there are 3 processors in your area. Please check each one until you find one that is functional.
I'm on it.
I've detected a weapon in your area. I think it's a frag rifle.
Roger.
What?
Get it.
Yep, it's a frag rifle, alright. Whatever the hell a frag rifle is.
Go get him.
Not that big of a deal. No, I don't have enough for anything I want right now.
Here's one. Let's see. No, power signal's dead.
Keep searching, Sergeant Walker.
Walker, you listen to me. It's making the cybers. Pulling people cold sleep pods. Gone off the rails.
Come back, sir. I can't hear you.
Damn! On me! Stay back! Ah!
Vargas? Vargas! Damn it!
So apparently he found out what was making the cybers. It's good, I guess.
Go get him, Vargas.
Woohoo!
Get him!
Like I said, I don't really need to upgrade his health until after my after me That way, because he's got the ability to heal, I don't.
Go get him, Hardy.
Oh boy.
Go get him, Hardy.
That's a trippy way of dying. Toolbox? Toolbox. Yay.
Jake, I've got some bad news. Vargas is dead.
What? Now what the hell are we supposed to do?
It's on us now, Jake. We have to lead these people. I'm counting on you to keep things together back there.
They're not gonna listen to me!
Don't give them a choice. Lead, and they will follow. Get it! It's not ready yet.
I need to get out of here. Whoo! That was a hell of a firefight. Where is... It's where I need to go, that's for sure. But I need my little buddy back. Oh hey, toolbox. Let's make up... Oh, and there's a healing kit. They're not smart enough to use the elevators. If they were, I'd already be dead. Another toolbox. Cool. Alright, so apparently they are smart enough. Or not, because I didn't see the heavy guy with him. So that's probably just a collection of cybers down here that I hadn't run into before I went up. Okay, here we go. So first, get back that heal. There. Oh, I could have upgraded his damage one more time. Damn, that would have been useful. Okay, all the same. Let's go back and finish off those guys. Get on the elevator. There we go.
Go get him, Mark.
Ow. Okay. Love the music where it's still thinking I'm in danger. I mean, I am. Those guys aren't dead yet. Let's get the toolbox. Come on. Right here. On the thing. I don't want you heading up without me. That's what I should have done in the first place. And that's the frag rifle.
I found the frag rifle. Gonna use it to gouge evil from its shell.
What the hell are you talking about?
It's a joke. Lighten up.
Got that. See, this does more damage. I'm gonna stick with this gun for the time being. Gouge evil from its shell. It's a joke. That's the best line of it all. Unfortunately, I've killed most everything here, so it'll be a little bit before I get to practice with this gun. Oh, it does do area effect. That's what I want. Area. And it does more damage to my rifle per second. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, come on. Okay. Ow. Ow. Ectoplasm grenade launcher? Electrical damage. Electroplasma. I thought it was ectoplasm.
Seth, you need to hear this.
Okay.
Is anyone out there? Can you hear me? This is Eric Langway, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 others. We're barricaded in a freighter in the shuttle bay. We are not injured. We're all safe. Repeat, we are barricaded.
Can we communicate with them?
It's a burst transmission. The freighters use this channel to dock with space stations. We don't have that equipment here.
They'll have to sit tight for now. Let me know if you pick up anything else.
Let's see what is behind the doors. Whoa, boy.
Go get 'em. Here we go. Damn, it's Frag.
There has to be an intact processor in the area. Keep looking.
Well, we will find that intact processor in the next video. Until then, have fun, be safe, and aloha.